How about some pros and cons over the electric versus the gas lawnmower? Well, first of all, I've always got electricity to plug into. I don't have to worry about gas. It's convenient, ready to go. The con is, of course, dealing with the wire, which is really no big deal as long as you are careful. All right, so I know this is probably a no-brainer video. Comments are welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.